So students, today's video I am going to explain to you all methods of preparation of haloalkane which I have earlier done. So in continuation with the methods of preparation, today I will explain more. Suppose say you want to prepare a preparation of alkyl bromide. Preparation of alkyl or alkyl bromide, or say alkyl iodide. So to prepare this compound, what is the method? From alcohols only, remember this is from alcohols. So I will write general equation. So when I write general equation, by using that general equation, you can write any compound, any alkyl halide or alkyl bromide. So if I take alcohol as ROH and hit this with HBr, hydrogen bromide, okay? And this is carried out, the reaction is carried out in presence of concentrated H2SO4. You all know sulfuric acid is the what dehydrating agent. So what we'll get here will be RBr plus water. Now don't learn by heart. Remember what is the change? This OH and this H will go out as water. ROH, OH from here and H from here will eliminate as water. What is left will be RBr. This is the way that you remember. Now what is R? This is general equation I have written. Now this general equation can be used to prepare any compound according to what they ask. Suppose say if I want to prepare ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide if you want to prepare, you have to take ethanol or ethyl alcohol. This is ethanol or ethyl alcohol. Heat this with HBr in presence of concentrated H2SO4. You will get from here C2H5Br plus water. Okay. So remember what I have changed R group as C2H5. So therefore this general equation you remember very well so that you can write any compound. Suppose I want to ask, say I want to prepare N-propyl bromide. Now what is N-propyl bromide will be CS3, CS2, CS2Br. This is N-propyl bromide of 1-bromopropane. Now accordingly, what should be the alcohol? So alcohol will be CS3, CH2, CH2OH plus HBr. This is in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, you will get here N-propyl bromide plus water. Now this reaction, the name of this will be called as 1-bromopropane. Already nomenclature you all have learned in my last video. Okay, bromopropane. So this remember how you can get alkyl bromide. Suppose say I want to prepare alkyl iodide. This is alkyl bromide. Remember this is alkyl bromide. I want to prepare alkyl iodide. Then what you can take here ROH. General. I am just giving general equation. Treated with HI. Hydroiodic acid. This is hydroiodic acid. So if we reflux this, reflux means also it is called what heating only. But what happened in this case, when I say reflux, it is going up and coming down again, back. Okay, repeated. So this will give what here Ri plus water. Okay, so when you heat, this is carried out in a closed container, and therefore this is said to be reflux. Okay, now suppose say if I take here, let's take example. I am just taking one example here. Any one alcohol I am taking. This is say CH3OH plus HI, then reflux or heat. Even if you say heat, okay, Then what you'll get here will be CH3, CH, CH3I plus water. Okay. Now, the name of this compound will be isopropyl iodide. Remember here, this is called as isopropyl iodide. Okay, or 2-iodopropane. I can also call it as 2-iodopropane. This is I base in it. Remember, this alcohol will be what? Isopropyl alcohol accordingly. Isopropyl alcohol or propan to all. Remember here, not propane, huh? E is not there. It is propan. Propan to all. Then, suppose if I take a compound which is another thing. If I want to prepare alkyl iodide, you can generate that HI in the reaction, during the reaction. So what is done? If you take alcohol, just I'll write general equation ROH plus treat this, heat this with Ki. Okay, potassium iodide. Don't use directly HI. If I use Ki, and then here you use here phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Remember again, this is also heat. We can say heat. And you know that heat can be also written as triangle. Now what will happen here? This will become Ri plus KH2PO4 plus water. Okay, I'll explain to you how we get this. So from here, see that here, this H from here and I from here, H from here and I from here will react and form HI. So that HI generated in the reaction while this refluxing is carried out. So that HI is generated in situ, this is SITU. Okay, it is generating during the reaction and that HI will react with alcohol and form this compound. Now what will be left here then? See, if I remove here H, then what will left here? KH2PO4. That's why I have written here potassium. Remember what is the name? Potassium dihydrogen phosphate. This is called potassium dihydrogen phosphate. Okay, potassium dihydrogen phosphate. Now according to the what example if they ask, whatever example that they ask, accordingly you have to change the what R group and accordingly you will get the compound. So therefore what I am saying, insist upon the main reaction, general reaction, okay, ROH plus HBr. If you learn this, don't learn by heart. Huh? If you learn this method here, how to convert ROH into RBr. So what is that here? Just remove water from here. You will get RBr. Same way, whatever. If you take now, see in this case, isopropyl alcohol, this OH from here and H from here will go out as what? Water. What is left here? This full group R along with that I, it will become this. Okay, so like this, you can prepare different types of compound.